Hi everyone, so my name is Dan, I'm the CEO of Doddle. We're a technology platform. We help retailers handle delivery and returns through physical locations to help reduce costs, improve customer satisfaction and hopefully lifetime value. So the landscape we see it today, in-store profit, gross profit is higher than it is online. And the real problem there is that in-store sales are falling year over year, slowing down hopefully, but online sales are increasing. So this is creating a problem from a profitability perspective of retail on a cohort basis. So changing gears a little bit, talking about what we think the problem is. I wonder if anyone's read this book. It's called Thinking Fast and Slow. Daniel Kahneman, he talks about this thing called the peak end theory. So essentially in a customer journey, there's 2 points to really focus on. That's the peak, where the experience is at its most intense, probably when the customer makes a purchase. In e-commerce here, which is what this describes, there'll be a period of time, of course, where the product's en route, and then there's the end. And what Daniel describes is that this is the most important memorable experience in a customer journey. So, if anyone knows a little bit about a brain, this doesn't look exactly like a brain, but there are two very important sides to the brain, and that is one side that controls things like logical thought, language, and so on, and the other side of the brain that controls feelings. It's all about trust, loyalty, and most importantly, it's where all decisions are made. So, if all decisions are made in the area of the brain where trust and loyalty is decided upon as well, and the most important part of the customer journey is that last part, we believe that the problem exists in delivery and returns, as does the majority of the cost as well. So this is specifically where Doddle fits in. We're a technology platform that helps retailers leverage physical locations to improve delivery and returns, the cost and customer experience. We do that through completely digitalizing things like buy online and pick up in store, making that more of a experience versus just a solution. Things like reserve online and pick up in store, in case customers want to try things on before they buy them, but they want the convenience of the buy online and pick up in store. We help completely automate returns with autonomous solutions so that customers don't have to join the same line as customers buying. They don't have to interact with sales associates, and make completely seamless returns journeys. We build large PUDO networks, pick-up and drop-off networks with carriers to help e-commerce retailers leverage physical locations for convenience of their customers and help reduce costs by consolidating returns or cutting out the last mile in delivery as well. Some recent examples of the work that we've done. We were the first technology platform to work with Amazon on packageless, label-less returns. Within 2 weeks of launching that, it was actually Amazon's quickest adopted return solution that they've ever released, not offered to their customers. We have released chatbot solutions around returns to help customers engage with brands better through tools that they know and are familiar with, and helps the retailer collect top-of-funnel information on those customers to help, in the long run, reduce returns and improve customer satisfaction. As I said, we're first to market with patented self-service returns kiosks. We now have deployed across one of the largest retailers in the UK, with Nike, with H&M, and this is, the premises of this is to completely automate returns and provide a fantastic customer experience, and ultimately consolidate returns at store locations as well, encouraging customers to come into store, make further purchases, and help the retailer reduce the cost. And we work with some of the largest carriers as well globally, Australia Post being one, where we power, for example, in Australia, the largest PUDO network on the continent, across thousands and thousands of locations, accessible to hundreds of e-commerce merchants, to provide convenient, returns solutions. So there's a few brands that we work with today. We deal with thousands of locations currently, millions of parcels annually. We would love to speak to everybody in this room. I'm here all week, as Ashley, my colleague, is back. And if any of you have any time to follow up and talk more about your delivery return strategy, we'd love to do so. Thank you.